I was a skeptical, overworked mom who was looking for a way out. Little did I know that joining doTERRA was going to teach me lessons about business, community, and myself that no university ever could. Hi, my name is Stephanie Calderon, and I have been in the network marketing industry with doTERRA for 12 years. If you are somebody that's been interested in it or are currently in it and are just wanting to learn more about it, this video is definitely for you. Make sure that you stick around to the end as well, because I have something fabulous for free for you. I don't know about you, but sometimes I feel like I'm just alone in life. And very quickly, my doTERRA community became more than just business partners and customers. They became my family. One of my favorite things to do every year is go to the doTERRA convention. And it's because it's like being with thousands of some of my favorite people that just get me. It doesn't mean we're all exactly alike. The other big thing with being in the industry of network marketing that I learned is so much about myself. It is not for the faint of heart starting any sort of business, and network marketing even more so, because it gets such a bad rap, which I really actually don't understand. If I have a friend who is selling makeup and I need makeup, I would much rather support my friend. And I get that there's some of those hey girl messages that give us a bad name, but truly, if we flipped our switch and thought about how we're supporting our sisters, our brothers, our friends, it really is such a fabulous industry for that. But what I learned about myself through this is when the going gets tough, there's several things that can happen. I can bury my head in the sand and just pretend it's not happening for a while, or I can figure out solutions. And I have learned that I have had to up-level my skill set vastly, because when I started in network marketing 12 years ago, it was actually kind of easy to get people to events. People were excited. People didn't know about essential oils. And now I've had to learn new skills like online marketing, social media, funnels, all of these things that I never thought I would have to learn about. And it's taught me so many valuable skills. It's also taught me about creating routines and systems. The beautiful thing about network marketing and owning your own small business is you don't have your own boss. But the challenging thing is you don't have your own boss. Nobody tells me what I should be focusing on. And I enjoy that freedom, but there's also a challenge with it. I have to figure out what my priorities should be. And I had to quickly learn that alphabetizing my oils may feel very good to me, but it doesn't bring money in the door for my family. So I've had to learn time management, time blocking, how to have priorities and where to put those priorities. I am so about relationships and people. I wasn't necessarily a very good business person. I didn't know my numbers. I didn't know that. I quickly learned I had to run this like a business. If I treated it like a hobby, I was going to make hobby money, which means you're going to lose money. Or if I treated it like a business, I could make money. This is actually a true path to the life that I wanted. I spent 6 years living in an RV, traveling full time with my family. We had that flexibility to homeschool our kids, travel, hands-on learning, all because of network marketing. I know not everybody dreams of squishing into an RV with their family and being in different places every week. But if you have a dream, you should look at this as an opportunity to fulfill that dream. The other thing that having my doTERRA network marketing business has done is it's given me the opportunity to have global impact in the world that I don't know that I would have any other way. I've actually got to travel with Nepal. Make sure you check out this video here for more details about that. With doTERRA, I've got to see firsthand our growers in the process. I've got to see schools being built, wells being built, people rescued out of human trafficking and then put into places that are safe for them and getting care and rehabilitated. And I get to support all of that with my business. I get to help people every single day. I get to provide solutions for them. I get to hear stories about how they have dealt with this for X amount of years. And by me sharing something, it's helped them. That makes such a difference in my life. And it fuels me to keep going, keep learning, keep investing in myself. So I hope that this has helped you understand some of the benefits of what I've learned from being in network marketing for the past 12 years. As promised, I have my free guide for how to make money to travel. I'm going to link that in the description. It'll be pinned in the comments. Please check that out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get more content like this. I would love to hear from you. So please leave a comment so we can keep the discussion going. Have an amazing day.